Welcome back, YouTube. It is a great day to be different. So that's what we are going to do today. We're going to show you guys how to be different. As you can see, we have the brand new StyleCraft tight guards right here. Yes, sir. We're going to bust that open. We're going to get on the inside of this. Throw that away. We don't need it. This is what we need. We need these right here. And here you guys have it. We have the tight guards right there. Boom. These things are absolutely premium, man. They look good, they feel good, and we're going to show you guys exactly how they cut here in a few. But as of right now, we're going to give you guys a good comparison. We are comparing these to the Wahl guards. As you can see right here, it goes the 1.5 next to the 1.5, and they look identical. They look like the exact same guard, just different colors, which is very important. Here goes the other side where you can see the magnetic. One has magnetic, two double magnetic, and the other one has a metal clip, which is your Wahl, and obviously the double magnetic is your StyleCraft. But here goes a good comparison side by side. Here goes the 1.5, excuse me, the half guard. Exact same thing. They look the exact same. But in these days, when you are a content creator and you are trying to create content, obviously, cosmetics are important. So me, I'm a cosmetic guy. As you can see, my colors are crazy on my videos, and it is very important. I feel like the Wahl guards are pretty outdated when it comes to being able to customize how you want your clippers to look. All black to me is a little outdated, and I need my colors to pop. I don't even like pink, but you can see how much of a difference that pink looks compared to that black. And here you guys go, how pretty that looks on my clipper. Absolutely beautiful. Again, me, I'm not a big fan of pink, but with these on here, crazy. It looks really, really nice. Now going back to the cosmetics, this is a big thing as well. Wahl, the teeth tend to fall apart or get ate off because I like to zero gap my clippers, so that is very important. Longevity in these half guards especially. Here goes the green TPOB guards that I usually use on my videos that everybody keeps asking me about, and you can see those teeth were eaten away just as much. Now back to the cosmetics. I hear StyleCraft is going to be dropping, or I've seen it on a couple pages. They're going to be dropping these tight guards in a different colorway, the blue, the all blue. I cannot wait to have those. I'm going to buy them as soon as they come out. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I might even cop a couple pairs. I like how they only come with 4 guards. Me, again, I don't usually go above the 2 guard anyway. So having just 4 guards, unfortunately, you're paying for less guards for more cost. These things are not cheap, but I don't need the other guards, so it doesn't really bother me. Again, I'm not a fan of pink, but when they do drop the blue ones, we're going to be copping those. But here you guys go. 1 guard, 2nd notch. I'm going to be doing 1/4 of the head with the StyleCraft, and I'm going to be doing 1/4 of the head with the Wahl, so you guys can get the best comparison on the exact same haircut using the exact same steps. So you can see one side I did the 1 guard StyleCraft, and the other side I did with the Wahl guard, which is very, very important because this next step right here, as you can see, I put that 1 guard 2nd notch guideline in it, and I'm taking out that bulk with the Wahl. This gives the best comparison on when I put in the guidelines with the StyleCraft, I can take them out with the Wahl guards and vice versa. On this side, I put the guidelines in with the Wahl guard and I took out the guidelines with the StyleCraft. This goes to show that these things cut the exact same. They leave the same length, they take out the same length, they debulk the same, they blend the same, and they work the same. So when it comes to these two, in my opinion, if you are a wall guy like me, I would not take a clipper if it does not take the wall guard system, which is why this video is very important to me, because this is one of the very few times that people have drop guards that mimic the wall guards that I am very, very pleased with. Cosmetics to me is very important, so having that option to still have a wall guard system but look prettier on my clippers, all day. They sold me all day. Here you guys go. Same thing. Taking out the same lines, then in the exact same. No issues. Just coming together. And boom. Yes, sir. I love these guards. I'm a wall guard guy. And I'm sorry, Wahl. But I'm going to have to go with StyleCraft on these. Not taking away anything from Wahl. These guards, the Wahl premium guards, are perfect. I use them on everything. But now that we have another option for those people that are out there that are stuck on Wahl, including myself, we have another option out here to be able to customize our clippers to make them look a little bit more beautiful, a little bit more eye-catching, especially on camera if you're a content creator like me. So love this idea, StyleCraft. You guys got one up on me, and I'm going to be using these for a long time. And I cannot wait for the blue ones to drop, but as you can see, that's blurry. And that's crazy. But it's crispy, and that's crispy. We out of here. Peace.